while I'm letting the internet watch me rebuild. Most people rebuild their life in private, but I decided to rebuild mine in public, and there's a very specific reason why. Well, actually, a few. For the last couple of years, I was building Ready, Set, Go logistics from the ground up, traveling across the country, working nonstop, slowly putting the pieces together. Then everything came crashing down. A false accusation, an arrest, and even though the charge was eventually dropped, the damage was already done. The business collapsed. Now, most people, when something like that happens, they disappear. They rebuild quietly. They try to fix everything behind the scenes. But I decided to do the opposite. I'm rebuilding in public. And like I said, there's a few reasons. So let's get into it. The first one, accountability. If you know me, you know I'm big on accountability. I have accountability partners, coaches, mentors, all that. But right now, people are watching the journey, so I can't quit. And I don't have any accountability partners at the moment that I can count on to keep me, or help me keep myself accountable, I should say. So you have to keep moving forward. Secondly, transparency. Too many people only show success online. Everybody loves showing the highlight reels. They show the finished product, but they never show the struggle. They don't show the setbacks, and they don't show the rebuilding process. I want people to see all of it. And thirdly, the proof. Anyone can talk about bouncing back, but rebuilding the business step by step where everyone can see it, that's real proof. So this channel isn't just about logistics. It's about resilience. It's about rebuilding after adversity. And it's about showing that even when everything is taken from you, you can still start again. So if you want to watch a real comeback story unfold in real time, subscribe and follow the journey. Because we're rebuilding this thing from the ground up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and most definitely turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. We're going to be talking about founder survival versus centralized systems. So yeah, definitely don't want to miss that. And remember, either your mind will expand to match your money, or your money will just shrink to match your mind. Let's grow.